Okay, good morning grade ones. As I said today, we're going to do a dictation. It's going to be a little bit trickier today because we're not going to do word building before it. So it's sort of more of a challenge for you today. Can I make sure that just before we start that you have a piece of paper, a blank piece of paper like this, okay? Put your name on it, and we're going to do our writing on this today so that mum or dad, whoever's at home, when they bring it in on Friday, you can give it to me and I can keep it as a record. Okay, so we are going to get started, but before we do, I'm going to give you your sight words. My brain just went blank for a minute, sorry guys. We have a couple of sight words in this sentence today. The first one is going to be the word the. So I'll write that on the board. Our next sight word is going to be on. Oops. Our next sight word is going to be in. And our last sight word is going to be a. Okay, so when I say these words, you can use the board behind me to help you. Okay, make sure you've got a pencil to write with and your piece of paper, and let's get started. Okay, your first word, remember, at the start of our sentence, it always has a capital letter. Okay, our first word is a name, and it's can. Can. Right? Can. Can. Our next word is got. 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 Right? Got. The next word is the. The. Right? The. Okay, our next word is strap. Strap. Right? Strap. Strap. Our next word is on. On. Remember, that's the sight word and it's on our board. On. The next word is the. The. Right? The. Our next word is bag. Bag. Right? Bag. Our next word is in. In. Right? In. Our next, tongue-tied, oh my goodness. Our next word is a. A. Right. A. All right. Our next word is twist. Twist. Right. Twist. That's the end of our first sentence, so please remember at this point to put a full stop after the word twist. All right, I'm going to keep moving. Let's start our next sentence. Now, because we've got a new sentence, remember it's going to start with a capital letter. Okay, our first word of our second sentence is the. The. Right? The. Our next word is bag. Bag. Right? Bag. Bag. Our last word is split. Split. Write split. Split. Okay, and because that was your last word, remember you have to put a full stop. Now, before we finish, I'll read through the sentence and I want you to follow each word with your, follow along as I read and point to each word. Okay, remember, if you've missed a bit, okay, you've missed a word, anything like that, you can re-watch the video from the start and start again or just add in the word that you missed. Okay, let's get started. I will reread the sentence. Cam got the strap on the bag in a twist. Full stop. The bag split. Full stop. All right, I will read it one more time, a little bit slower. Cam got the strap on the bag in a twist. Full stop. The bag split. Full stop. Okay, remember, make sure you put this in your pack and return it on Friday. Well done, grade ones. I know this was a bit of a challenging couple of sentences, and I cannot wait to see your attempts. I know you will have done your best, and remember, that's all that matters, is that you do your best. Okay? All right. I will see you tomorrow, grade ones, when we do our word building and dictation all together. Bye, guys.